So good evening students, so welcome to Unacademy EAMCET YouTube channel students. Myself Dr.Rajendra Prasad, biology engineer on Unacademy EAMCET platform students. In today's topic, we'll be discussing about the virus. So virus topic. So before starting the virus topic, so let me introduce about our Unacademy Plus subscription. Okay. So Unacademy has reduced its price students, especially Unacademy EAMCET. So Unacademy EAMCET has reduced its price students. So how much? To what extent it is reduced is nearly 40%. So 40% of the prices has been reduced students. If you're interested, you can use my code Rajendra Live and get the discount and purchase these plans. So let us see. So let us see how the prices are reduced actually. Let us see what are the prices that has reduced and what are the new prices. So 1 month plan. So 1 month plan is costing around 1,500 rupees per month students. And you can see 3 months plan. So 3 months plan is costing around 3,750 rupees. And 6 months plan is costing around 6,000 rupees students. And 12 months plan it is costing around 8,250 rupees students. So this is about our Unacademy long-term plans, especially 12 months plan. So it's very less amount students. I suggest you to purchase these long-term plans actually. It will be certainly benefit for you. So such a less amount, no other platform of Unacademy is giving students. So Unacademy EAMCET platform is giving this offer, so try to utilize this offer students. Use my code Rajendra Live and purchase these subscribe courses, so you can get benefit out of this certainly. So hi Chaudhary, so welcome to Unacademy EAMCET YouTube channel. So these are the prices of Unacademy Plus subscription. So there is a link is provided. You can go to the link and do the subscription students and get benefit out of those subscription for a less price student actually. So you can go for all subjects you can study. Okay. Now, so let us see what is the benefits of taking Unacademy Plus subscription. So premium content will be available at affordable price. So structured live courses and dedicated live outreach sessions takes place students, quizzes at regular intervals. So batches, so lectures will be batches. You can join the batch of your interest students. So let us see what are the batches that is right now going on. So leader batch for EAMCET 2021. So PCM batch, PCB batch, రెండు బ్యాచ్లు నడుస్తున్నాయి స్టూడెంట్స్. మీకు ఏ బ్యాచ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అయితే ఆ బ్యాచ్ లో మీరు ఎన్రోల్ చేసుకోండి. సో సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ తీసుకొని ఎన్రోల్ చేసుకుంటే మీకు బెనిఫిట్ పొందుతారు. సో యూజ్ మై కోడ్ Rajendra Live so that you will get benefit out of that. And you will get 10% discount also. So apart from that, there is a rapid Telugu batch is going for EAMCET for PCB batch, and rapid Telugu batch EAMCET PCM batch is also going. You can join those batch also if you are interested students. So use my code Rajendra Live and join these batches. So ఇది కాకుండా మనకి డైలీ ఫ్రీ ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ కూడా దొరుకుతుంది మన వెబ్సైట్ లో. సో డైలీ ఏదో ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ లో మనకి 20 క్వశ్చన్స్ అవైలబుల్ అవుతాయి. దానికి 20 minutes టైం ఉంటుంది, టైం పీరియడ్ ఉంటుంది. సో లైవ్ టెస్ట్ మీరు తీసుకోవచ్చు. సో ర్యాంకింగ్ కూడా మీకు ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తుంది. ఎవాల్యూటింగ్ మీ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ కూడా మీరు ఎవాల్యుయేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే. సో యూ క్యాన్ అవైల్ దిస్ ఫర్ ఫ్రీ. సో ఇది ఫ్రీగా మీరు ఎన్రోల్ చేసుకొని చేసుకోవచ్చు. అయితే ప్లస్ సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ కి ఇంకో బెనిఫిట్ ఏంటంటే టెస్ట్ సిరీస్. సో టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ కూడా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు. అది ఏంటంటే ప్లస్ సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ కి. సో టెస్ట్ సిరీస్, సో మనకి ఇక్కడ చూసుకుంటే 45 టెస్ట్ అని చూపిస్తున్నారు చూడండి ఇక్కడ. ఇంకా టెస్ట్ లోనే 45 ప్లస్ టెస్ట్. సో ఇది మీరు రిప్లేస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఫర్ ది ప్లస్ సబ్స్క్రైబర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. Okay students, this is for the plus subscribers actually. Okay, so that is about our Unacademy Plus subscription. Let us go into the multiple choice questions. Okay, today discussion on the virus actually. So let us see the first multiple choice question for the day. So in 5 kingdom classification of Whittaker. So Whittaker is a person who has given the 5 kingdom classification. So he classified that, he told that some acellular organisms. So he, according to Whittaker classification, the 5 kingdoms includes plantae. So Whittaker has classified 5 kingdom classification. It includes plantae, it includes animalia, it includes protistans, okay, and monerans. And the 5th kingdom he has introduced, that is fungi. But he did not place the virus actually. So why? Because so they are acellular organisms. So virus are acellular organisms. So that is the reason they did not have any. They could not find the place in the 5 kingdom classification that was proposed by the Whittaker. So that is the reason virus was not included actually. Not only virus, so other parts of virus, that is viroids. So virus and viroids both do not have place in the Whittaker classification. So Whittaker has classified five kingdom classification. His five kingdom classification includes the five kingdoms like Plantae, Animalia, Protista, Monera, and as well as Fungi. Okay, students, that is about the first question. Let's move to the next question. So anyhow, so finally what we have to conclude from this question is the virus and viroids, these are acellular organisms, so they are not placed under the five kingdom classification. Next question. So virus is, so what is the property of the virus if you see here? So is it virus a completely non-living? No, it is not a completely non-living, so it is a wrong statement. So virus, inert crystalline structure outside the living cell, yes, it is a inert crystalline structure. Means when you crystallize the virus, crystallization of virus means we will convert it into powder form in the laboratory actually. So in the test tube, so virus can be converted into powder form, so that is called as a crystalline form. So when it is in a powder form or in a crystalline form, this virus, when it is in a crystalline form or in powder form, it is inactive actually. No doubt it is inert, or it is inactive, or it is inert outside the host. Okay, it is in a crystalline form, it is inert outside the host. So virus is inert crystalline structure outside the living cell. So option B will be answered in this case. Okay. So inert crystalline structure means it is outside the living, means it is inside the test tube actually. In the test tube, the virus can be in a crystallized form actually. So that is the reason option B will be answered in this case, students. So let's move to the next question. So what is this term virus? So term virus means, so term virus is actually given by the scientist Louis Pasteur actually, means this particular time virus and term virus, and he mentioned that virus, the term virus meaning means it is a venom or it is a poisonous fluid. So he named that virus, the meaning of the term virus means it is venom or poisonous fluid is called as a virus actually. So virus. So this virus is actually, we can call it as, it is a connective link. No doubt it is also acting as a connective link between living and non-living organisms. It is also acting as a connective link. So virus also acts as a connective link between living and non-living. Okay. But here the question question asking that no doubt it is the virus means it is venom or poisonous fluid. Now that is the answer. Let's move to next question. So virus, who is the person who has given the name virus? So just now we were discussing term virus was given by the scientist. Name of the scientist is the Louis Pasteur. So Louis Pasteur is the scientist who has given the term virus. The term virus was coined by the Louis Pasteur actually. Okay. So Louis Pasteur. So let's move to next question. So contagium vivum fluidum. So what is the meaning of this term contagium vivum fluidum means? It is clearly mentioned here. So it is infectious living fluids. Infectious living fluid is called contagium vivum fluid. And that its name was given to fluid extracted from tobacco plant, and that was, so contagium vivum fluidum term was given by Bajerniki. Okay, so Bajerniki is a scientist who has given this term contagium vivum fluidum actually. So Bajerniki is the name of the scientist who is the person who has given this term contagium vivum fluidum. Okay. Next. So viruses are, so what is the importance of this virus? So viruses are, so just now we have seen viruses are inert outside the specific host, we have seen now. So virus inside the test tube, it is in a crystalline form. No doubt it is in a crystalline form. Inside the test tube it is in a crystalline form and it is inert. So just now we have seen it is in a crystalline form and it is, no doubt it is inert. Okay, and virus is also considered as oblique parasite. So oblique parasite means, what is the meaning of this term? Oblique parasite means the particular organism. So organism, when it is called as oblique parasite, the organism which cannot survive without host, which cannot survive. The organism which cannot survive without host. The organism which cannot survive without host. Such type of organism is called as a obligate parasite. So virus is, no doubt it is an obligate parasite. It cannot survive without host. It is an obligate parasite. No, that is the right answer. So statement B is also a right statement. Then it passes through bacterial filters. So what is this bacterial filters? If you see bacterial filters, so what is the pore size of bacterial filters? So filter paper has some pore size. So bacteria proof filters actually. So what is the meaning of this to proof filter means? This filter has some pore size. Bacteria filters has pore size that is 0.45 micron meters. So 0.45 micron meters. So bacteria sizes is in nanometers. So they can easily pass through this bacterial filters. So that is the reason. So statement C is also a right statement. Okay. So that is the reason we take answer as all of these above. So virus is no doubt it is inert outside specific host. It is an obligate parasite. It is an obligate parasite because the organism cannot survive without host. So that organism is called obligate parasite. Here also the virus cannot survive without host. So it is called as obligate parasite. And it can also pass through bacterial proof filter because the bacterial size is 0.45 microns, so it can pass through the filter. So that is the reason we'll go for the option D as answer because all the options are correct in this case. So let's see the next question. Who showed that virus can be crystallized out? So virus can be crystallized out is shown by which scientist? So scientist who has first crystallized the virus. The scientist who has first crystallized the virus in the laboratory is the Stanley. So Stanley is the name of the scientist who has first crystallized the virus. So Stanley has crystallized the virus. So why we have to crystallize the virus? No, that is the second question. So why we have to crystallize the virus means, so just now we are discussing in test tube, we'll take the virus and we'll convert it into powdery form. So powdery form of virus is called as a crystalline form. So crystalline form means powdery form. Okay, powder form. So powder form of the virus is called as a crystalline form. So why we have to crystallize this? To study the structure. So structure of the any protein or anything can be studied when it is crystallized. So structure is studied by using a technique that is called as X-ray crystallography. So to study the structure of the virus by using X-ray crystallography, okay, so we have to first crystallize the virus. So that is the reason the virus is crystallized. And when virus is crystallized by using an analytical technique, the name of the technique is called X-ray crystallography, you can study the structure of the virus. Like virus is having the head, of course it is having capsid, and the capsid is made of protein, like we have studied about the virus. So that structure of the virus, like for example bacteriophage, it is a tadpole shaped virus. So like this we will come across all these when you crystallize the virus and observe under the microscope. So hi Mohammed, so welcome to Unacademy EAMCET YouTube channel. Okay, hello, how are you? So virus was first time crystallized by scientist. Name of the scientist is Stanley. So Stanley is the person who has crystallized the virus actually. So let's move to the next question. So virus infected plants. So virus which infect the plants are generally what type of virus? So virus which infect the plants, generally they are single strand RNA. So the viruses which infect plants, the virus which infect plants, they are called as plant viruses. So viruses which infect plants are called as plant viruses. So viruses which infects animals. So viruses which infects animals those are called as animal viruses. Viruses which infect animals are called as animal viruses. So the virus which infects bacteria or which attacks bacteria, that is called as bacteriophage or bacteriophage. Okay, so that is called as a bacteriophage. So the virus which attacks bacteria called as a bacteriophage. So like that, so the bacteria which infects plants are called plant virus. Virus which infects plants are called plant viruses. Virus which infects animals are called animal virus. The virus which infects bacteria are called as a bacteriophage actually. So now these plant viruses, majority of plant viruses are made up of, they have genetic material as single strand RNA. So majority of plant viruses have genetic material. So they have genetic material and the genetic material is single strand RNA. So in case of the animal viruses, it can be a double strand RNA or some members can be a single strand RNA. So like this. And bacteriophage. So bacteriophage, of course, it is a double strand DNA only. Bacteriophage has genetic material that is double strand DNA. So like this. So virus which infects plants, so they have a single strand RNA. No, that is the answer actually. Okay. So hi Anand, how are you? So welcome to Unacademy EAMCET YouTube channel. So we're discussing some multiple choice questions on the virus topic. Hi Komla, how are you? So many days. Now let's move to the next question. So just now we're discussing bacteriophage. Okay. So just now we're discussing the bacteriophage. So if you see the bacteriophage, so bacteriophage we were discussing, it is the virus particle which infect a virus that attack bacteria. So virus that attack only bacteria, students, not plants and animals. So virus which attack only bacteria, such type of virus is called as a bacteriophage actually. Okay, so this bacteriophage, it is a shape, it is a tadpole shape. So how it appears? Bacteriophage appears as a tadpole shape. So bacteriophage appears as a tadpole shape, students, and it has double strand DNA as a genetic material. It has double strand DNA as a genetic material. Okay, it has double strand DNA as a genetic material. So bacteriophage has the yes, very good, Komla. So C is the right answer. So bacteriophage has double strand DNA as a genetic material. So bacteriophage is a virus particle that attacks only bacteria, and what its shape means, it is a tadpole shape and it has double strand DNA. Okay, now let's move to the next question. In virus infected plants, so following symptoms can be observed. So what are the following symptoms are observed in virus infected plants? So yes, what is your answer, students, for this question? So virus infected plants, what is the symptoms? Which are the following symptoms? What is your answer? Yes, can you answer this question? So in virus infected plants, the following are the symptoms that can be observed. Okay, students. So in virus infected plants, okay, students, of course, very good. It is option D is the right answer. Okay, option D is the right answer. So yes, Komla, that NEET Telugu channel Unacademy ఎందుకు రావట్లేదంటే ఆల్రెడీ Unacademy EAMCET ఉంది కదా. సో Unacademy EAMCET is especially for తెలుగు స్టూడెంట్స్ ఓన్లీ ఆఫ్ ఏపీ అండ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ తెలంగాణ. సో అందుకని చెప్పేసి రెండు ప్యారల్గా అందుకని చెప్పేసి సో Unacademy EAMCET. ఓకే, సో అందుకనే అది. సో నీట్లో మనకి చాలా వరకు అందరూ హిందీ ఫ్యాకల్టీ, మళ్ళీ మనకి ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తారు చాలా మంది క్లాసెస్. సో మనకి ఏంటంటే తెలుగు పీపుల్ కోసం సపరేట్గా మన ఛానల్ ఉంది, అదే తెలంగాణ EAMCET అండ్ ఏపీ EAMCET ప్లాట్ఫామ్. ఓకే, సో అది ది రీజన్. So Mohammed, actually on YouTube, Mohammed, you're asking me something like take long classes. Yes, long classes are already running on our Unacademy EAMCET platform, students. Okay, Unacademy EAMCET మీరు Unacademy లర్నింగ్ యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని దాంట్లో గోల్ అయితే EAMCET గోల్ కింద మార్చి మీరు క్లాసెస్ తీసుకుంటే మనకి రోజంతా ఏదో క్లాసెస్ జరుగుతూనే ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ఏంటంటే 30 minutes మనకి. సో అదే మీరు యాప్లో కానీ వెళ్తే మనకి 60 minutes క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది, మీరు ఆ క్లాసెస్ జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు. సో యూట్యూబ్లో ఏంటంటే 30 minutes, ఎక్కువ టైం ఉండదు. యూట్యూబ్లో క్లాస్ మాత్రం 30 minutes ఉంటుంది. అదైతే మీకు బెటర్ కదా, 60 minutes ఉంటుంది. రోజుకి ఏదో క్లాసెస్, ప్రతి అవర్ కూడా మీకు ఏదో క్లాసెస్ రన్ అవుతూనే ఉంటాయి. ఫిజిక్స్ కానీ, కెమిస్ట్రీ కానీ, లేదా మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అయితే మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ కానీ ఏవో క్లాసెస్ రన్ అవుతుంటే మీరు అది చూడవచ్చు. ఓకే, యూట్యూబ్లో అయితే మీకు 30 minutes. సో జస్ట్ ఓన్లీ మనకి ప్రమోషన్ కోసమే. సో కోమలా, సో త్వరలో క్విజెస్ ఇంకా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. త్వరలో ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇంకా ఎగ్జామ్స్ దగ్గర పడుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి ఎక్కువ క్విజెస్ ఉంటాయి ముందు. ఓకే కోమలా, సో ముందు క్విజెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఒకసారి ఎక్కువ నేను మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను. సో క్విజెస్ జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఓకే, సో ముందు మనకు ఉండేవాడి క్విజెస్. సో Mahmood, so try to join our app, so that will be benefit for you. సో యాప్లో అయితే మీకు కొద్దిగా క్లారిటీ కూడా ఉంటుంది. యూట్యూబ్ కంటే యాప్ అయితే మీకు కొద్దిగా క్లారిటీ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో మీరు క్వశ్చన్ ఏమైనా అడిగినా ఇమీడియట్ రెస్పాన్స్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, ఎనీహౌ, సో virus infected plants, following symptoms can be observed. So all symptoms, we can find all the symptoms like mosaic formation, stunted growth, leaf rolling and curling, yellowing and graying. So all these can be observed actually. సో కోమలా, ఏపీ EAMCET నోటిఫికేషన్ ఇంకా రాలేదు, ఫస్ట్ థింగ్. రెండోది ఏంటంటే ఏపీ EAMCET మటుకు ఖచ్చితంగా నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్ అయినా 10 days కానీ 1 weekలో మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. ఖచ్చితంగా నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్ అయిన తర్వాతే పడతారు. ఓకే, నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్ ముందైతే ఉండదు EAMCET ఎగ్జామ్. ఎందుకంటే నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్ డేట్ కోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు EAMCET హోల్డ్ చేసేవారు. ఎప్పుడైనా నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్ డేట్ రిలీజ్ అయిపోయిన 2 to 3 daysకి మనకి EAMCET ఏపీ ఎంసెట్ డేట్ అనేది రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఏపీ ఎంసెట్ ఖచ్చితంగా నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్ అయిన 10 days లేదంటే 1 week తర్వాత ఉంటుంది. సో అలా మీరు ప్రిపేర్ అయిపోండి. ఓకే, సో నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్ మోస్ట్లీ జూన్ ఎండింగ్ కానీ జూలై 1st or 2nd weekలో ఉంటుంది. సో అది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మీకు ఎంసెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ కూడా విత్ ఇన్ 1 week 10 daysలో ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, అది ఆన్లైన్ ఎగ్జామ్ తెలుసు కదా మీకు, ఎంసెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఆన్లైన్లో ఉంటుంది. సో ఆన్లైన్ ఎగ్జామ్. ఓకే, ఎస్, సో ఎంసెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్ అయిన తర్వాతే. సో డెఫినెట్లీ ఏపీ ఎంసెట్ అయితే నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్ అయిన తర్వాత ఉంటుంది. అయితే తెలంగాణ ఎంసెట్ ఆల్రెడీ అనౌన్స్ చేశారు. తెలంగాణ ఎంసెట్ మోస్ట్లీ జూన్ జూలైలో ఉంటుంది అనౌన్స్ చేసినట్టున్నారు. ఓకే, సో ఏపీ ఎంసెట్ అయితే మటుకు ఖచ్చితంగా నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్ అయిన తర్వాతే ఉంటుంది, ఒక 10 days గ్యాప్లో. సో అందుకే ఎంతవరకు అనౌన్స్మెంట్ లేదు దాని గురించి. ఓకే, okay students, now let us see this question. So select the total number of diseases. So select the total number of diseases from the following which can be caused by virus in plants or animals. Okay, so ఇందులో మనకి ఏవి వైరస్ అనేది ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. సో చూద్దాం వన్ బై వన్ ఆప్షన్. ఓకే, సో వన్ బై వన్ చూద్దాం యాక్చువల్గా. సో మమ్స్, ఫస్ట్ మమ్స్ చూద్దాం. సో మమ్స్ ఈజ్ అ వైరల్ డిసీజ్. తర్వాత స్మాల్ పాక్స్, సో మనకు తెలుసు కదా స్మాల్ పాక్స్, చికెన్ పాక్స్, ఇది కూడా వైరస్. సో వైరల్ డిసీజ్. Rust of wheat. So rust is a fungal disease. Smut kuda fungi. Okay, fungal disease. Herpes is again a viral disease. Inka influenza and flu, bird flu cheptaru kada, that is also virus. Then potato spindle tuber virus. So ఇది కూడా వైరస్ డిసీజ్. ఇంకా ప్లాంట్స్ లో అంటే వైరస్ డిసీజ్ అంటే వైరాయిడ్స్. So potato spindle tuber virus is a viroids actually. Virus called viroids actually. So red rot of sugarcane, Colletotrichum, it is a fungal disease. Okay, red rot of sugarcane, fungal disease. So turnip mosaic virus. So ఇది కూడా viral disease. Black rot of crucifer, it is bacterial disease. So now we have to identify the answer. Yes, Mohammed, you are asking that can we get good rank by reading academic book given by college. సో మహమ్మద్, నో డౌట్ అకాడమిక్ బుక్ అనేది మనకి ఎంసెట్ అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా అకాడమిక్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ నుంచి చదవాలి. సో దాంతోపాటు మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి ఖచ్చితంగా. సో మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకపోతే మనకి ఎంసెట్ ఎగ్జామ్లో మంచి మార్క్స్ రావడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉండదు. సో మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడానికి ఏమైనా మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ బుక్స్ అనేది కొన్ని పర్చేస్ చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, so Komala, you are telling herpes. So herpes is no, it is not a bacteria, it is a virus. Herpes. Okay, so herpes is a virus, no doubt about it. So కొంతమందికి మీరు చూస్తే herpes వైరస్ వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే, సో ఇక్కడంతా కాయలు వస్తాయి అంటే మీకు తెలియదు జనరల్గా. సో herpes is no doubt it is a virus only. Yes. Okay, so it is a virus only. So now find out how many viruses are there. So 1, 2, so 3, 4. So 4 ఇంకా ఇక్కడ 5. So 5 తీసుకున్నాం. Answer will be B. Okay, so answer will be B. So potato spindle tuber virus. So potato spindle tuber virus is a viral. Yes, Komala, what is your question? So yes, herpes it is also herpes. No doubt it is a virus. No doubt about it. So genital herpes, yes, it is also causing some diseases. Okay, so related to the genital organs. So genital herpes and the genital organs. Okay, so sex organs, male sex organs, female sex organs, వాటిని కూడా ఎఫెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. It is a virus only. Okay, no doubt about it. Okay, got it right? Okay, so let's move to the next question, students. So next, viroids. So let's see, just now we're discussing viroids. So viroids was discovered by Dinier. So Dinier is the name of the scientist who has discovered the viroids. So viroids was discovered by scientist. Name of the scientist is Dinier. So Dinier is a scientist who has discovered this virus actually. Viroids. Next. So this viroids, yes. So molecular weight. So what is the molecular weight of RNA of the viroids? Yes, can you answer this question? Yes, Komala, can you answer this question? So molecular weight of RNA of viroids is how much? So just now we discussed viroid. So viroid, Okay, this viroid has, okay, this viroid has only RNA. Yes, very good, Komla. So option B is answer. And this RNA is of low molecular weight. So it has low molecular weight. It has low molecular weight. And here in this viroid, protein is absent. That is another important point you have to remember. Here protein is absent actually. Okay, so viroids don't have proteins. So again, anyhow, so answer is option B is the answer. Next question. So lichens. So lichens are symbiotic association between. So lichens are lichens. So ఎలా అయితే మీరు స్పెల్ చేస్తారో స్పెల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Yes, what is your answer, students? Lichens or lichens. What is this? Lichens or lichens? What are maybe? So what is your answer for this question? So they are of which type of association? So lichens are symbiotic association of which one? So lichens are symbiotic association. So lichen are symbiotic association with it is symbiotic association of algae and fungi, students. Algae and fungi. Okay, the algal partner is called as phycobiont. So algal partner is called phycobiont. Fungal partner is called as mycobiont. So fungal partner is called as mycobiont. So algal partner is called phycobiont. So fungal partner is called as a mycobiont. So lichens are symbiotic association between algae and fungi. So option C will be answered in this case, students. Okay. Now let's move to next question. Yes. So just now we discuss, in lichens, the algal partner is called as dash and fungal partner is called as a dash. So just now we discussing the algal partner is called as phycobiont and fungal partner is called as a mycobiont. So I think option B. Yes, very good, Komla. So phycobiont and mycobiont will be answer. Okay, now let's see the importance of lichens. Now what is importance of lichens, students? So what is importance of lichens? So what is the role in the ecosystem actually? So these lichens, okay, so they act as pollution indicators. So the statement A is the right statement. Of course they act as pollution indicators. But can I answer this question like which type of pollution? Which type of pollution indicator, students? Yes, which type of pollution indicator it is? So lichen is a which type of pollution indicator? That is my question. Of course, option B after statement B is also right statement. It is symbiotic association between algae and fungi. Now that is also right statement. And it is the pioneer. Pioneer means first species. Yes, Komla, very good. Very good. So lichens are sulfur dioxide indicators. Sulfur dioxide pollution indicators. Very good. Sulfur dioxide, not sulfur exactly. We should use the term as sulfur dioxide. Okay. Sulfur dioxide pollution indicators. SO2. Okay, sulfur dioxide actually we should use term sulfur dioxide pollution indicators. So, and they are also pioneer. So they are the primary. Pioneer means first. Pioneer and the first actually. Okay, pioneer means first. They are the first species in the primary succession on the rocks. So that is also right answer. So finally, we will go with all the above. All of the above is right about this particular question. Now let's move next question. Now we see this diagrammatic question. So identify A and B. So identify A and B in this question. Now you see, now this is A and this is B. So what is the answer, students? Which is what is A and what is B here? So A, if you see A, so B, so no doubt B is, it is the, what type of virus is this one, students? What is this virus? Can you name this virus? Yes, can you name what type of virus it is? So what is this virus? Yes, Komla, can you answer this question? What is this virus? So this is TMV virus. So what is this TMV virus? Full form of TMV, it is tobacco. So tobacco mosaic virus. In this tobacco mosaic virus, it has genetic material. So genetic material is made up of RNA. So this particular B, so B here it represents the RNA. And this particular virus is having the units that is called capsomeres. Okay. So it is, so B is capsid. So A is actually capsid and B is RNA. So that will be answer in this case. Okay. So option C will be answer. Next question. Select the wrong statement. So let us see the statements one by one. So Stanley showed that virus can be crystallized. Yes, this statement is true. We were discussing the same thing. Stanley is the person who has showed that virus can be crystallized. No, that is a right statement. Then the term contagion, vivum, fluidum was coined by Beiger and Key. So this is also right statement. So term contagion, vivum, fluidum was coined by the Beiger and Key. That is also right statement. Then mosaic disease in tobacco, yes, and AIDS in human is caused by virus. Yes, but this statement is also a right statement. Then viroids were discovered by Ivanovsky. So this is a wrong statement. So viroids were discovered by Dinier. So just now you are discussing, right? Dinier is the person who has discovered the viroids. So that is the reason statement D. So statement D will be the wrong statement. So this is about the today's discussion on the virus topic, students. So we will see again in the next class with the next topic. So you can join our free special live classes on our app, students. So you can join our app. So you can join on our app and you can listen the 60 minutes class. So this class on YouTube you will be having only for 30 minutes actually. So before ending this session, once again I just want to show you our Unacademy subscriber plan, students. So Unacademy plans, they have reduced the prices in Unacademy plans, students. So try to utilize that plans. So 1 month plan now it's costing only 1,500 rupees, students. Very less amount, students. Very less amount. 1 month plan is costing around 1,500 rupees, and 3 months plan is costing around 1,000. 3 months plan is costing around 3,750 rupees, students. 6 months plan is costing around 6,000 rupees, and so these are the best plans available, students. No other platform is providing this much less amount. So I suggest you to purchase our Unacademy subscriber plans by using my code Rajendra Live. So na code use చేయండి Rajendra Live na code use చేసి మీరు 1 month plan 1,500. సో మీరు మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ స్టూడెంట్ అయితే మ్యాథ్స్, ఫిజిక్స్, కెమిస్ట్రీ వినొచ్చు. ఇంకా బయాలజీ స్టూడెంట్స్ అయితే బయాలజీ, ఫిజిక్స్, కెమిస్ట్రీ కూడా మీరు నేర్చుకోవడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. చాలా తక్కువ అమౌంట్, స్టూడెంట్స్. ఏ అదర్ Unacademy అదర్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ ఎంత తక్కువకి మీకు ఎక్కడ రాదు. సో ట్రై టు యూటిలైజ్ దిస్ సోర్స్. యూ హ్యావ్ బెస్ట్ ఎడ్యుకేటర్స్ ఆన్ అవర్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్. So okay, students, this end of today's session. We will come with a new session in the next class. Thank you, students. Thank you all of you.